kids! Today, we are drawing a witch flying on a broomstick. Let's draw together. First, we draw a pointy witch hat. Did you know witches in stories fly on brooms at night under the moon? Wow, magical hat! Now, we are drawing face of the little witch. So cute drawing. Our drawing looks so beautiful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So cute, witch! Brooms are magic because they can fly high above trees and clouds, up, up, up to the stars. Now we are drawing the long broomstick under the witch. In fairy tales, witches wear pointy hats and ride brooms to go on adventures. Some witches are good and help people. They make magic potions with stars and moon dust. Look, our witch is flying on the broomstick. Let's coloring. Wow, wow, wow! Fantastic! Our drawing looks so beautiful. You are an awesome artist. Super Star. Well done. Give yourself a big, big hug. Look at your drawing, little artists. Wow! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun drawings. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.